Hello students. So we are back. In the last class what we learned? Yes, we learnt about the gifts which was given by God, no, which is given by God to us, all of us. That is the parts of our body, different parts of our body. First we learnt about the external organs, eyes, nose, ears. This all are external organs which we can see, okay. And then we learnt about internal organs. Which organs we learnt? Yes, first we learnt about brain. Yes, where it is? It is inside our head. And what does it do? It helps us to think. Very good. And second we learnt about heart. Yes, heart. Where is heart? It is inside our chest. And what does heart do? Yes, it pumps blood to different parts of our body through blood vessels. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn about lungs, the third organ of our body, lungs. We breathe air, no? All of you breathe? Yes, we need to breathe. We cannot live without breathing. All the living things breathe. Whether it is plant, animal, bird or any living thing, insects, everybody breathe. They breathe in air and they breathe out air. So, what helps us to breathe in air and breathe out air? Lungs. Lungs are located in chest only and we breathe with the help of lungs. We have two lungs. Lungs get bigger when we breathe in air and smaller when we breathe out. You can see this man is breathing air. The lungs expand. When it gives out air, when it removes air, it contracts. It becomes bigger, smaller. When we breathe in, and in school also, no, PT teacher is many times making you do meditation. They take you to breathe in, then breathe out. Why? Because the lungs will be clear. When we breathe in deeply, we breathe in and breathe out, the lungs will be clear and our body will have enough of oxygen. Okay. So, the shape of the lungs are this way and it is situated in our chest and it becomes smaller when we breathe out and bigger when we breathe in. Okay. So, these are lungs. It helps for breathing. Now, rib cage. Rib cage is made up of bones. You can see this rib cage. It is made up of bones. Bones means hadka. Yes, it is made up of bones. It protects our lungs and heart. You can see the heart is inside the rib cage. It protects the heart and even the heart is very delicate. No, so protection is need. No, otherwise somebody will beat you, your heart will be damaged. So the rib cage protects our hearts and lungs. Okay, it is inside the rib cage, our heart and lung, and it protects us. Now, children, you all eat food? Yes, we eat different types of food, no? Every day we tell Mama, you prepare this, and she prepare also everything, no? Okay. So, and you know, we eat food. How we eat food? From mouth. Where does it go? Have you any time think about it? That the food which we eat, where does it go? It goes in the stomach. Where does it go? It goes in the stomach. There it is digested. And after the digestion is done, then it is sent to all the parts of our body and we get energy. We have learned in the first lesson that we should eat healthy food so that we get energy, so that our body is built and it helps us to fight against disease, no? So, stomach also, the food which we eat enters the stomach. The food we eat reaches our stomach. It looks like a pouch. How does the stomach looks? It looks like a pouch. It helps to break down the food. The food which you have eaten, it will break down the food and into very tiny pieces and then it will be help in digestion. So, you can see where stomach is located. These are the lungs and above this the red color is the stomach. Okay, stomach is located here. Now, after the food enters the stomach, where does it goes? Yes, it enters, see the food is entering the stomach, then it goes into the intestine. Where it goes? It goes into the intestine. There are two types of intestine, small intestine, big intestine. First the food goes into the small intestine, this red color. There the food is digested. Some part of the food is digested here. After the food is digested, still some part is remaining, that will go in the large intestine. And the rest of the food is also digested, and whatever waste is left, all food does not get digested. Some food is left, it is thrown out of our body. Okay. This is digestion. In this way, whenever we eat food from our mouth, it goes in the food pipe, then it enters the stomach, there it is broken into small pieces and digested. The half the food is then again sent it to the small intestine, there it is digested. The remaining food is sent again to the large intestine, there all the things are absorbed by the large intestine, and the waste material is sent outside our body. Okay. So, these were the internal organs which we learnt. We learnt about the brain, we learnt about heart, we learnt about lungs, we learnt about stomach, then small intestine and big intestine. Other than that, there are bones, in our body also bones. You can feel bones. Here if you touch the chest, this chin, you can see the bones. Here in your fingers also you can feel the bones. So, the stronger part, the hard part of our body are bones. The hard part of our body are called bones. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Full body, internal organs except internal organs, everywhere there is bones, and on the bones there are muscles. There are 206 bones in our body. How many bones are there? 206 bones. Overall, there are so many bones in our body, 206. You cannot imagine so many bones in this small bodies, but it is there, 206 bones in our body. The bones of our body form a structure called skeleton, and the full bones, the structure which is made up of bone, that is known as skeleton. What it is called? Skeleton. Okay. And it protects our body, it protects the internal parts of our body like heart, lungs, that all things are protected in the skeleton. See, this is the skeleton and these are the bones. It is only made up of bones. This full skeleton is made up of bones, and on the bones there are muscles. So, there are how many bones? There are 206 bones. And children, do you know which is the smallest bone in our body? Yes, ear bone. The bone which is located inside the ear is the smallest bone in our body. Okay. So, this form is called skeleton, and it is made up of, it is fully of bones only. Now, muscles. The soft part of a body are called muscles. You can, when you touch your hand, your leg, you can feel very soft thing. That is called muscles. On the bones, there are muscles, okay, which help us to move. Bones and muscles together help us to move, to bend our body and all. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles? More than 600 muscles in our body. So many muscles are there which will make our body flexible. We can move our body when bones and muscles work together. When bones and muscles, they both work together, we can move our body. We can run, we can walk, cycle, jump, eat, skip, hop and swim using bones and muscles. Even eating, when you eat, your bones and muscles both will work. They will start working, they will move, and then only the food is chewed. If you want to walk, then also you have to use your leg muscles, no? Leg bones and muscles, then only you can walk. Whatever you can swim, all the things, only when your bones and muscles work together. Okay. So, this was about the muscles. Now, you can see these are the bones, and on that muscles are there. So, bones and muscles. Bones are 206 bones and muscles are more than 600 muscles in our body, which help our body to get the movement, to move. Now, to make our bones and muscles strong, we should eat healthy food. What type of food we should eat? Healthy food like fruits, vegetables, all healthy food we have already learned. So, to make our bones and muscles strong, it should be strong. Then only you can run, then only you can walk, and you can jump. All the activities you can do when your bones and muscles are strong. Okay, so you should eat healthy food, and also you should do some exercise. Yes, you should do some exercise. See, you can see this. They are doing exercise. You have to do exercise to make your bones and muscles strong. Exercise only will make your muscles strong. Okay. So, children, now you have seen now all this full lesson, internal organs and external organs, and you have to learn about all the things. You have to see that your muscles and bones are stronger by doing exercise, eating healthy food. Okay, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.